Hi there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you one of the most celebrated dish in Malabar, that too in Kerala. That's neychoru, or it's known as a ghee rice. And this rice is very flavorful. My god, you don't believe so simple recipe can taste so wonderful. So without much wait, let's see how this beautiful Malabar ghee roast is done. Ingredients required for this ghee rice are fried onions, 2 star anise, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 3 green cardamom and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, ginger garlic paste half teaspoon, green chilies 2, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, a teaspoon of raisins, 3 tablespoons ghee, 1 cup of basmati rice. You can see that I have cleanly washed the basmati rice 2 to 3 times and soaked it for about 20 minutes. Here I have taken a pot and kept this pot to heat. In this we'll add nearly 3 tablespoons of ghee. Look, the ghee seems to be nice and hot. I'll add these cashew nuts and fry them. And saute till it gets golden brown. And in this we'll add the raisins also. Fry them until they are done. Look, these are nicely done. I'll keep this aside. And in this we'll add these whole spices. And we'll mix this for about 1 minute or so that all the nice aromas infuses with the ghee. Now these are nicely roasted. This is exactly what I'm looking for. At this time, a half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, half of the browned onions, and saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. And now we'll add the soaked basmati rice. And now on a high flame we'll mix this well. Keep in mind that you don't stir it vigorously or else the basmati rice can break. In this cup I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, so I am going to add nearly 2 cups of water in the same cup. Let's mix this in a soft hands. We'll add a required amount of salt. There is a trick in this recipe that you need to cook the rice until all the water is absorbed by the basmati rice till the surface level. Look, nearly it's been 4 to 5 minutes. You can see nearly 80% of the water has been absorbed by the rice. Look, the basmati rice has risen up to the surface. This is the indication that at this time we have to make the final garnishing. We'll turn the flame to low and we'll add this remaining barista. And at this time we'll add the remaining cashew nuts and the raisins. Whatsoever, don't mix or touch the rice. We'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow. Wow guys, look at how beautiful this rice has been done. Look how beautiful it's looking. You can see that rice is perfectly done and it's not even sticking to each other. It's that beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful and came out just perfectly. You can see how beautiful this neychoru or now the Malabar style ghee roast is ready to taste. Believe me, if you have some naughty chicken curry or mutton curry with this, it will go excellent with this recipe. I request you all to do this recipe in this method as I shown you. I'll guarantee you that your mind will be blown away and you will get the showers of appreciation with your families. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon and turn on the notifications to all. So a lot of people are asking me to do a channel in Hindi also. As per your request, I have created a new Hindi channel by the name Deepak's Kitchen Hindi. The link for this channel is also given in this iCard here and also given in the description. Please do check my new channel and also don't forget to subscribe that one also. So we'll be back with another MA recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshetri signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.